Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria for those who don't already know me, and today I'm going to be doing a video for all the moms out there who don't have time to spend an hour on their makeup and want something quick, easy, and simple just to look good and have some glow, nothing crazy. So if you want to see what I've come up with, keep on watching. So some days, unfortunately, I don't have the extra time to do full makeup. It takes some time to do, and I just want to have something quick, easy, simple that still looks fresh. My face is nice and moisturized and glowy, as you can see. I've been working really hard on my skin. Hopefully it looks good. I love skincare. I'm all about having a fresh face, being nice and hydrated. So if you are planning to do a no makeup look, definitely do your skincare first. So first things first, I'm going to go in with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is awesome, and it does exactly what it says. It helps brighten the face. So I'm just going to put some of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use my fingers to put this on. Alright, so now that my face is primed, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Power Play Foundation, and this is the shade P30. You don't need much. I would say that will do. I love this foundation on days that I want to have more of a lighter finish. It is definitely a nice buildable foundation. You can get full coverage with it, but it's not matte. So super nice for those quick, easy days. Alright, so after foundation, of course, it's totally, in my opinion, necessary to have some concealer, even though we're doing a lighter makeup look, just because me personally, I have some dark circles that I want to cover under the eyes, and I feel like, again, we're going for that nice bright complexion. So adding in a little bit of concealer in the areas you want to correct, like if you have any dark spots, any specific areas of concern, that's where your concealer will play in. So I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and this one is in P Light 1. So I'm just going to take the concealer anywhere that I really want to brighten, a couple dots under the eyes, and when I blend it out, I'll definitely get some on top as well. A little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. Alright, so next thing is brows. Brows are, of course, super important. And I definitely am always using my Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's my go-to. It gives me flawless brows. I do use a pencil as well occasionally if I feel like being a little extra, just to pre-line my brows. But on a day where we're in a rush, I feel like the pencil's a little bit quicker for some people. So I'm going to show you guys my pencil and how I apply my brows when I do use a pencil. So today I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. So when I fill in my brow, I'm going to start from the bottom in the center and just underline the shape that I'm going for, usually following my natural brow shape. And then I'll go over the top and do the same exact thing. And I'm just using little flick motions, nothing crazy. And then once I get up to the front, I'm going to do some hair-like strokes just to give that more natural appearance. So I'm just doing little hair-like strokes. And then I'm going to go back sideways. And we're just going to take the spoolie on the other end and comb sideways, and then I'll go back and comb up. And with any brow look, your spoolie is going to be what makes your brows look more natural, just by going back and combing through them. Alright, and then once I'm happy with my brow shape, I go in with a clear brow gel. This just helps make everything look a little bit more natural and blend in your natural hairs with the brow pencil. So I'm going to be using the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just going to comb it along my natural brows and brush up and to the side. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and we're going to start working on the complexion. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in matte finish today. And I use my big fluffy brush to apply this. This is going to help make it a more natural glow instead of having any types of lines. I don't know what it is about bronzer, but it just always makes me feel like on days where I don't want to go all out, it just makes me feel better. I'm going in with my California blush, and this is in my well-loved Benefit blush bar palette. And I'm just going to put this right on the apples of my cheeks and press up toward my ear. For highlight, I'm going to use my limited edition version of Champagne Pop. So we're going to put this down the nose to the tip. Girl. A little bit right there. Same thing on this side. Cupid's bow. A little bit on the chin. Alright, and then for mascara, we are going to go in with the Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. And going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the shade One Wish. So I'm going to use the Dewy Set by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like my video, and I will talk to you soon.